Alright, today my mother brought over her 97 Ford Escort to do the oxygen sensor. This is the new one. Now, usually it's not too bad. Usually the harder part is actually getting it out. I have actually not tried to get it out yet, but I had to actually figure out how to unhook this part, and hopefully she got the right one. Oh, shall find out. Well, try to do it from underneath. But underneath, man, you can't get to where the wire ends. And I try to go through the wheel well, but can't get through it that way either. So you have to go and take out the battery stuff. The battery tray. It's only a couple bolts, so it's not really that bad. You gotta pull back the air, clean the housing out of the way. And then you can get to it right here. You can see the wire goes all the way down. Way down under there. So in case you guys are looking and trying to figure out how to take this thing out, here it is. Just a quick video to show you what it is. This is the number 2 oxygen sensor. The one that's after the catalytic converter. The other one is actually up there. And looks like a real pain in the butt too. So, just a quick video, show you what that is. So, instead of trying to squeeze your arm up in here like I tried to do and disconnect it to that number here, which my arm's just too big. Maybe if you're a really skinny guy, you can be able to do it. But I couldn't do it. If you are skinny, what you do is get the get under here and get a. Probably got to get a screwdriver. I don't know if you can squeeze this one or not. Looks like you can squeeze it, but doesn't really want to come out. I think it's been sitting in there a little too long. I had a screwdriver. I will try. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, there it is. Let me see if it'll pop out. Let's see. Yep, there you go. So it's kind of in there. So if you can get up in there, you know, so you can get a little screwdriver underneath behind there, it'll pop out. So before I even take out the oxygen sensor, I wanted to get to this. I wanted to see this end to make sure it matched up and had the same amount of wires, which one does have 4. This is the heated one. So I actually have that. I would suggest before you pop these things out of your car that you do what I'm doing here and compare. Even though one's blue and one's white, really doesn't matter. They all line up, it's all the same. Oddly enough, this one, you can see actually has tabs. The new one does not. So I'm actually, I guess it's more of a lining it up. But this wire is kind of short on this one. It's kind of worrying me because it's got quite a distance. So I'm just gonna go right in there, no problem. So hopefully it'll reach. We gotta do a reach test first. Oh yeah. Alright guys, that was that.